Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today I've come to Bradford and I'm going to go and try Vanilla Rooms by CHACHA'S to try out their desserts. So let's go inside and let's take a look at their desserts. We're inside here. So we've got plenty of ice creams here to choose from. Look at these, they look absolutely different kind of variety of cakes Vanilla Room do. And we've got some brownies here as well. And you come this side, we've got plenty more here. Really good. This is inside of Vanilla Rooms. Look at this. It's inside the way this. I like the way they designed everything here. Got plenty of seating areas as well. Plenty around. I've got the menu here for Vanilla Room. So here's all the desserts, what they do here. We've got different kinds of variety of desserts to choose from. So I've gone for the slice of Belgian chocolate cake. Thought to myself, you know what, I'm going to try this because it looks really good. Belgian ice cream, guys, you also get a choice to choose your own ice cream with that. So I've gone for the mint choc chip. Here we are. Wow, check this out. That looks absolutely phenomenal. Look at this. So we've got ice cream here. We've got a bit of cream there. We've got raspberries, blueberries and strawberries here. And finally the chocolate cake. Look at that. Wow. With a bit of chocolate sauce sprinkled. Also, if you look at this, the presentation is absolutely great. I like the way they've made this. Fantastic. Let's give this a taste. Here we go. Look at that, chocolate cake there. Wow. Chocolate sauce all over that. Let's give this a taste. Oh wow. You can taste plenty of flavours coming from that chocolate cake. It's very sweet and it's really tasty, really good, and it's really warm as well. Nice and warm. Right, let's give this chocolate sauce a taste as well. Wow, look at that. Check that out. Really good. Right, let's give this mint ice cream a taste. Look at that. Nice. Wow. You can taste the mint in that ice cream, and as you can see there, we've got a bit of chocolate in that as well. Really good. I'm very impressed with this. Let's give it one more taste. Wow. So guys, I just want to mention that I've just actually found out that Vanilla Rooms do curries as well. So it's a bit of curries and desserts. I've just finished my dessert. And I must say, I'm actually really impressed with this. So if you're passing by Bradford, I must recommend coming to Vanilla Rooms to try out the desserts. I'm sure once you guys come here, I'm sure you'll be happy when you leave this place. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get myself a Fluda and try the Fluda out as well. Hey guys, so I've got my Fluda here. Look at this. Looks good, look at that. But let's give this a taste. Wow guys, that was really good. Nice taste. It's very nice and cold. It was really nice. Very good. That was absolutely fantastic. Really good dessert, what I enjoyed. The Fluda was fantastic as well. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. Hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.